Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing Android apps of the month of March. Some of you guys already know each month we usually roll out top 6 or top 8, or it depends. Sometimes we usually roll out many more apps, but today we're checking out the top 6 Android apps of the month of March. As some of you guys already know, if we're in Ramadan right now, and shout out to all Muslims who are fasting, and even you Christians, some of you guys are fasting, which is great. We're all fasting together on this one. You don't need to dodge around, you know what I mean? So I'm not saying they grab something unless it's an iftar time. But overall, it's such an amazing kind of stuff. We're gonna just be getting started through these kind of Android apps of the month of March. So guys, starting with the first Android app is called Nothing Keyboard. As some of you guys already know, if you're into nothing kind of style of keyboard, well, this kind of keyboard is so amazing. Now let me show you in action how it really works. Now let's say you're typing throughout here on your search, and throughout search you can see your keyboard has popped up here, right? Which is something which is so great. The keyboard looks really amazing. It has some really kind of aesthetics from nothing, which is really great throughout the keyboard. And throughout here you can just do a lot of customization. Let's say you want to just jump in throughout the settings, you can just go directly throughout the settings and check out what's happening. And throughout here, as you can see, this is the settings. You can just jump throughout the settings of your keyboard so as you can understand what you want to tweak around. It gives you the vibes like the Gboard keyboard throughout your phone, which you're used to, but this one has more enhancement through using. It has even the developer mode, which you can just customize some few stuff over here, which is great. And you can have like payment if you want to pay for the full photo keyboard. It's called photo keyboard. And throughout here there's bunch of themes depending on you what type of themes capture you mostly. It's such an amazing kind of keyboard from nothing, and it gives you bunch of style throughout using it, and you can tweak around depending on what type of settings you want. It's not available on the Play Store. It's actually a third party, and I share a link on the bio throughout the section of description so as you can check it out. Second app of the list is called Left. Well, this is such an amazing kind of app. By the way, it's really amazing because you can just add the date you want throughout your description. Let's say there's a birthday coming and you just want to get knowing when is the birthday. So I'm gonna write my birthday over there, and I'm gonna select, perhaps it's on April 1st, and I'm gonna just check there and add my birthday. As you can see, the dots over here showcasing me actually when is my birthday. Like let me just swipe. So this is how it is. As you can see, it shows you the countdown through the dots, what's happening, because on this kind of timeline you can see many dots. It shows you that this is an anniversary. I was testing it, and throughout here this is the birthday. So it shows you the dots countdown by each day, whereby your timeout is going throughout that kind of event, which is such an amazing kind of app, to be honest, to check it out. Our third app of the list is called SuperAlarm. It's such an amazing kind of application throughout customizing your alarm. It's really great. It has a nice interface, which is something which I like about it. It has some functionality like add mission or something, which is so great, like memory, or you just want to mash up things here and there. It's just really amazing. It has a nice layout looking. It's not like replacing your main kind of alarm, but it's just like an application which is worth it to check it out, which is really great. Fourth application of the list is called Text Behind Image. Now you're gonna love this application because what it does, it's really incredible. I'm gonna select my image. There we go. So I have my image over here. As you can see me, this is me, and just tap on this kind of magic stuff and it will select through all the text you want. So let's say I can say tripod. Yeah, tripod. And when you're done through here, you can select templates, or you can add the font size, and you can leave the spacing throughout your text. When you're done, you can you can even add weight. I forgot about that. Weight is the intensity of your font. And when you're done, just check here, and you can see you can add throughout here at the background of your image, which is something which is so incredible throughout there. As you can see, it's just somewhere there behind the text, and the image is still there. You saw the image was out because it did like a cutout or something, which is quite impressive. And you can even try optimizing some few stuff on the settings, or you can try to tweak around. It just depends on you what you want. And when you're done, you just tap on save. It does not have any kind of watermark throughout this kind of application, which is something which is so great. And there you go. And it did not even chop out the resolution. The resolution stays the same, which is really great about this kind of application. Jumping to our fifth application is called Giga Text. Now Giga Text is such an amazing kind of app if you want to showcase your friends some text in a big screen, like hello, like this is Android, or some laughing stuff, you know what I mean. So you can just type over here. Let's say you say nothing phone. Yeah, I hope someday it's gonna review this phone, and tap on here. You can see it shows you nothing phone. Now it's just depending on you what you want. If you want to change some color, you can change to this kind of colors, but it tells you to just top up for features of premium, which I just don't recommend that. You can just use the same one, which I think it's okay, because you just want to cast and showcase your friends that there's a text on my phone here, which is really brilliant. Last but not least, it's a game. It's Temple Run. Some of you guys already know this. It's such an amazing kind of game from back in the days. I know some of you guys played it, and it's a really kind of fun game. You just start through here being chased by these kind of monkeys, and you just jump and you just swipe it like Subway Surfers kind of vibe, and you just go over here, jump again. So we hit it, Subway. Just close over there like an advertisement now. Okay, close it, and you're back to run again. So you just have to explore through this game by shifting your phone here and there, and when you just hit somewhere, you know what I mean, things go left and right. Such an amazing kind of game from Temple Run. It's worth it to check it out, and it's really great. So guys, that's it about the Android apps of the month of March. Hope you enjoyed it through this kind of top 6 Android apps of the month. It's really amazing. They're really worth it. Let me know in the comments down below which application captured you mostly. And if you have any recommendation of application which we can share through here, and you guys, let me know in the comment section. It will be much better and much amazing. And another kind of stuff, I'm going to be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.